Greetings, race fans. ManicBeastBoise here. We are on board the Carnival Conquest. We are on our first shore excursion. Well, first day ashore. We are at Coral Beach in the Cayman Islands. Esmeralda over here recommended it when we got in the taxi at the port. It cost us $6 a person to get here, so pretty nice. And I got the lady's number so she can come pick us up later. She said just go to the front desk and have them call her because my phone doesn't work here. But Coral Beach, pretty nice. We got 2-for-1 drinks. There's a restaurant somewhere around here. They give you a wristband for the chair. The chairs are $10 for the day. So it looks like a pretty good deal so far. It's only cost us about $30. We haven't bought any souvenirs yet, so. Anyway, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We go everywhere. There's our ship right there. So we're not too far. We're on 7 Mile Beach. We could probably walk back if we had to. But anyway, smash that subscribe button. We go everywhere.